Voice from TechPro CNC Machinery Company. This is CNC wood lathe machine. It can process staircase columns, curved rounds, vases, tables and chairs, European stair columns, wooden hangers and wash basins, cylindrical, conical, curved, spherical and other complex shapes of revolving wood products or wooden semi-finished products, such as oak, sandalwood, eucalyptus, birch, rosewood and so on. This machine processing range is 1500 x 300 mm, max processing diameter is 300 mm, and max processing length 1500 mm. With double knives and China 3.5 kW air tooling spindle, optional, Italy HST spindle. If you want to know more information of this machine, please contact with our company, TechPro CNC Machinery. Thanks.